For anyone just starting out, finding an app that can actually get you speaking Spanish quickly and confidently is the ultimate goal. Babbel promises short, effective lessons with a real-world conversational focus. The big question is, can this veteran language app still deliver in 2026, or have newer programs left it behind? We spent a few weeks with the latest version of Babbel Spanish to bring you the pros, cons, and a final verdict. So I want to start by quickly running down how their app works as of 2026. Babbel uses a comprehensive approach that develops both receptive skills, listening and reading, and productive skills, speaking and writing, over a structured curriculum. There are several levels and courses that are broken down into manageable 10-minute lessons. The format is diverse, featuring interactive drills like listen and repeat exercises, matching, and short mock conversations. Babbel also layers in contextual grammar instruction right into the lessons as tips. Outside of the main lessons, the app also offers daily review sessions based on spaced repetition, along with extras like games, podcasts, and a digital magazine. Babbel's subscription options landed near the more affordable end compared to their competitors. They offer a 6-month and 12-month subscription for around $8 to $15 per month after discounts. For those looking to learn multiple languages, Babbel also has a one-time purchase lifetime plan for around $300, which includes access to all 14 of their languages, not just Spanish. Babbel is almost always running a sale or special promotion, so make sure to check the description below for discounts. For example, they often discount the lifetime plan down to $200 pretty often. I'll do my best to keep the text below the video screen updated with the most current coupon codes I can find out there. So be sure to check that out before you make your decision. Now let's dive deep into the positives. The first pro of Babbel is the quality of the core lessons. They're highly effective due to their fun, diverse, and quick-hit format. The next key advantage is how Babbel handles grammar. They found a sweet spot avoiding dense, boring instruction while not skipping it entirely. Grammar is smartly layered into lessons with quick one-slide teaching points and small pop-up tips. This provides a fundamental grasp of Spanish speech patterns without overwhelming the learner. The final pro is Babbel's comprehensive suite of bonus features and excellent user experience. Outside of the main lessons, the app offers games, podcasts, short audio lessons, and even digital magazines. This all comes together seamlessly on their digital platform. Both the mobile app and desktop version are quick and easy to navigate, offering one of the best user interfaces in the space. Now that we've touched on the positives, let's turn the tables and discuss some of the cons of using Babbel to learn Spanish. The first downside is the limited audio content outside of the core lessons. While Babbel has short, enjoyable audio lessons, there are only about 12 of them, and they stop after the newcomer course. For learners who benefit greatly from immersive audio like those offered by Pimsleur or Rocket Spanish, this lack of expansive audio content in the higher levels is a clear drawback. Secondly, Babbel does not include video clips in its core program. Other apps such as Usu and Memrise use short video clips of fluent speakers to aid visual learners and provide context. Lastly, while Babbel's speech recognition tech is acceptable and gives feedback on verbal exercises, it's not the most advanced on the market. It will get the job done, but thankfully you can now get contextual conversation practice with speech recognition called Babbel Speak in the mobile app. There's a number of topics you can practice to help boost your confidence before trying to converse with a native speaker. Alright, time for the final verdict. Is Babbel actually worth it for learning Spanish? Having reviewed well over a dozen Spanish language programs, I can confidently say that Babbel stands out as one of the best all-around options for beginners and intermediate learners. The lessons are short and comprehensive. With a combination of its spaced review system, smart grammar layering, and intuitive user interface, it makes for a highly effective and enjoyable learning experience. And its price is competitive. The only major drawbacks are the lack of expansive audio lessons and video content. The bottom line is, for the money, Babbel Spanish is one of my favorite all-around programs and should be more than enough to help you get to an intermediate level of fluency. For a full breakdown of all the features, pricing, and our hands-on experience, check out our full written review. All you gotta do to find it is Google Guide to Fluency, Babbel Spanish Review. By the way, we'll be giving away a language learning subscription to one of our lucky subscribers. Just check out the details down below to learn more. It's super simple to enter. Just like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I've got for you to now. Adios.